Okay, we are here to supersize an image on your Cricut Explore. I am in Cricut Design Space. I had done an example of a French manor chair, and so that is what I'm going to do now. If you notice, I picked up a square there. I picked out a square that it will be used for the slicing. It can be any square. It's going to be deleted, so it doesn't matter if it's purchased or not purchased. You won't be using it in the end because we will be deleting them all. Okay, let's search for the chair. And you could do this with any image. It doesn't have to be with the chair. It's just what I had used in my sample. So that is what I'm going to use now. And then insert images. So you should have two images here, one of a square and one of the chair, or the image of your choice actually. Okay. Now we are going to make the square 11 inches. So press edit and make it an 11-inch square. If you go to 11.5 or more, it won't recognize it. Now you'll notice it takes up our whole mat. So what we need to do is go down here. You have a minus 100% and a plus. We want to go minus and get that size down so we can see our screen. Okay. Now right up here is my other image, my chair. Okay, my screen's at 33%. So we're going to click on the chair, and we're going to make that real large too. So we'll go to layers, we've got the chair, and we're going to go to edit. Okay, the chair, we've got about 45 inches in height. You could go much bigger than this if you wanted to. You might have to go down lower in your magnification. But I even tried 60 inches and it worked. Okay, so we've got a square. Now, click on the layers, click on your square, and you're going to duplicate it a lot of times. Just click on a whole bunch. It doesn't matter, 10, 12, whatever you think you need. You don't need to count because what you don't use, you delete. And then we will bring one of the squares over, and we are going to go to the slice feature. So we're going to highlight all of that. Must not have highlighted. Okay, we need to go to the chair. Okay, now highlight. I'm on the chair, highlight it, there's slice. Okay. See that? There's my chair leg. This piece here, that can be deleted, the piece of the square. Okay. Then take another one over. Okay, because of the placement, this is like underneath. It's going to change the color of the chair. It doesn't matter because you're going to cut it whatever color you want to cut it. And you put your placement however. And then we're going to highlight this all and slice. And it is going to slice off the next piece of the chair. This is so cool because I know some of you are teachers and stuff, and you have bulletin boards to do. Wonderful. Wonderful technique. Okay, and bring another piece over, just like a puzzle. Okay, put that on there. Highlight it all. You see where we're going with this? And then slice. Click on the slice. And look at this. Oh, okay, I think it was right there. Okay. in this piece, delete it. You may just need to practice with it. I had to practice when I was learning, learning how to do this. Okay, we're going to slice this piece, so we got to highlight, there we go, and slice. Okay, we can delete that little square, and this is the sliced piece over here, so it's going to go over there somewhere. Okay, and this part I know is kind of boring for you to watch, but we will get to the end, and then you get the wow factor. Okay, you saw me hit slice there. Okay, and then this, delete that. Okay, so this must go right there. Okay, we're getting there. Okay. And you kind of put them wherever you think is a good spot, wherever it'll be easiest for you to get things back together. Okay, highlight this. I've got my square over a spot I like. Slice it. And we're going to pull it out. Ta-da! Pull this out. Oops. And we're going to delete that. Okay. Bring over another one. And highlight the whole area. Slice. And we're going to delete that square. And then this is going to come over. And I must be off here, so I'm going to move this down and put my puzzle pieces in where they belong. Sometimes it's operator error. Okay. That looks like a good spot to slice. Okay, so I'm going to highlight, slice. If you're bored, you can fast forward through this part because it's pretty much goes the same. Okay, delete, and then at the end, I'll show you what we do to make the magic happen. Okay, this looks like a good spot. Good a spot as any. So highlight that and slice. Gotta love the slice feature, don't you? Okay. And then I can delete that square. Now we're going to bring another one over. See, we keep using these squares. Let's highlight and slice. Now this part, okay, I'm going to tell you something here. Okay, we're going to delete this square. Now you see this little piece? We can't just drag it over and, well, maybe we can drag it over. I thought we'd have to slice it. I guess we can. Right now, there you've got your sliced up chair. Okay, this is 48-inch chair. You could do it 60 inches, whatever. Now we got to get rid of these squares. So let's highlight those and group them, and then highlight them again. And we're going to delete them all at once, and they're gone. Okay. Now all you need to do is press go and watch this. Okay, if you look here on this screen, there are all your pieces. Now you're going to have to kind of label your mat 1 or 2, or the pieces of cardstock, so you don't get too confused when you put it all together. And that's how you do it. For what I did, I just put some tape on the back to connect the pieces. You could adhere however you want, or do it with vinyl and put up a piece at a time. But like I said, you can do any image. It's just use your imagination. I would really like to see some examples of what some of you do with this, some other images, because I know I used to be a teacher, and I mean, for bulletin boards, you'd just staple the pieces up there, and put some tape on the back, staple them up. But this is how you would get your whole image. So I hope you learned something, and I hope it was explained well enough for you and wasn't too wordy. So show me what you can do. Okay, have fun with it. Bye.